National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Winnebago County in north-central Illinois until 9:45 p.m. At 8:56 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Rockford, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Rockford, Loves Park, McChesney Park, Cherry Valley, and Winnebago, including the following Interstate 90 between mile markers 8 and 15. This includes Rock Cut State Park, Rock Valley College, and Rockford Speedway. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.